The battles have been brutal. The warriors have been relentless. And now it all comes down to this. The moment we've all been waiting for. Delhi, the heart of India, the city of warriors, the land of legends, is now the ultimate battlefield for the Yodha race final. From across the nation, the strongest, the fastest and the most relentless athletes have fought their way through grueling challenges, defying limits and pushing beyond the pain. And now only the best remain. The final showdown. 25 men, 25 women, one race. One ultimate test of strength, endurance and resilience. Where the strongest rise and where one man and one woman will claim the title of the ultimate Yodha. But before we crown our champions, there's one last race to be fought between 100 men who will clash in a brutal semi-final, but only 25 will advance to the final round. Welcome to another electrifying and the final episode of Royal Ranthambore presents the Yodha race in association with Zuzumang, India's ultimate fitness challenge.
Delhi, get ready. The energy is electric, the stakes are sky high and history is about to be written. Who will stand tall as the undisputed champion?
Before that, Falak, let's take a look at the top 100 athletes who are about to go head-to-head in an all-out battle to secure their spot in the top 25.
सिकंदर अपने अनबिलीवेबल 41 मिनट टाइमिंग के साथ रेस को डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं। हेनरी बस 5 मिनट्स का गैप लेकर पीछे है और धृतिमान ने 49 मिनट्स के सॉलिड फिनिश के साथ थर्ड प्लेस सिक्योर कर लिया है। अरुण, जो हैदराबाद रीजनल्स तक लीडर बोर्ड के टॉप पर थे, अब 4th प्लेस पर है। कंपटीशन अभी भी बहुत फियर्स है और टॉप स्पॉट के लिए ये जंग अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है।
You're absolutely right, Falak. To make this competition even more intense, we have redesigned 2 zones to push our athletes beyond their limits. These changes aren't just for excitement, they are game changers.
फर्स्ट इज जोन 5। अब सिर्फ बॉक्स जंप्स नहीं बल्कि नेट क्रॉल प्लस बॉक्स जंप्स का जबरदस्त कॉम्बो होगा। एथलीट्स को नीचे रहना पड़ेगा, फोकस रहना होगा और नेट के नीचे क्रॉल करना होगा। लेकिन ये सब काफी नहीं है। क्रॉल के बाद 5 बॉक्स जंप्स करने होंगे, फिर से क्रॉल करके स्टार्ट लाइन तक वापस जाना होगा।
Even the wall ball throw is out and we have turned up the heat with a brand new challenge, the rope climb. Athletes must pull themselves up the rope using every ounce of their energy to reach the top.
नेट क्रॉल और रोप क्लाइंब सिर्फ स्ट्रेंथ का टेस्ट नहीं है, ये मेंटल टफनेस और एंड्योरेंस का भी असली इम्तिहान है। जो सोच रहे थे कि ये वही रेस होगी, उनके लिए एक बड़ा सरप्राइज है।
This isn't just a surprise, it's a mega reward. Yodha race isn't just about glory, it's bringing a massive 25 lakh rupees prize pool. Let's not keep our viewers waiting any longer and let the semi-finals begin, presented by Royal Ranthambore.
सेमीफाइनल्स ऑफिशियली शुरू हो गए हैं। 100 स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, फास्टेस्ट और रिलेंटलेस एथलीट्स ने स्टार्ट लाइन क्रॉस कर ली है। हर एक का सिर्फ एक ही मिशन है, फाइनल शोडाउन में अपनी जगह बनाना।
Only the top 25 athletes will advance to the grand finale. They'll have to fight tooth and nail to get there. Some will dominate, some will struggle, but in the end, only the best will cement their place in the ultimate battle for glory.
Look at Sikandar. He is first one to start. एथलीट्स अपनी जगह जम चुके हैं, हैंडल टाइट पकड़ के फुल पावर से पुल कर रहे हैं। ये सिर्फ ताकत का खेल नहीं है, स्टैमिना और टेक्निक भी इक्वली जरूरी है।
In my regional competition, I completed it in 1 hour 2 minutes. Strategy as such, improved 30 seconds in each obstacles and 20 or 25 seconds in each round of laps. That can improve the timing by 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm expecting to complete it in under 45 minutes.
और सिकंदर इज डन विद दिस जोन और वो निकल पड़े हैं 700 मीटर्स रन के लिए टू रीच जोन 2। अरुण भी पीछे नहीं है, he is also out of zone 1.
Sikandar is leading the charge as he storms into zone 2. He's moving with sheer power and determination, showing exactly why he's one of the top contenders. But watch out, Arun is right behind him, closing the gap with every stride.
But in the morning when I came for my semi-final race, my strategy was just to maintain a constant pace, not burn out. And when I was feeling like I felt like I was burning out, I was reaching my max limit, I stopped just 2-3 steps before that so that I could catch my breath and prepare again for the next few reps and the run.
बाकी लोग अपनी ताकत का आखिरी बूंद तक निकाल रहे हैं और सिकंदर और अरुण आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं बिना किसी स्ट्रगल के।
Sikandar has stormed into zone 3 and just look at the lead. he's way ahead. Moving like a machine, completely locked in. Meanwhile, the rest of the athletes seem to be pacing themselves, conserving energy for the brutal challenges ahead.
बिल्कुल, दूसरे एथलीट स्ट्रैटेजी खेल रहे हैं, अपनी स्टैमिना बचा रहे हैं, पर सिकंदर वो बस एक गियर में है, फुल थ्रॉटल।
Everyone else is holding back, playing it smart, but Sikandar is going all out. Will this insane pace pay off? And Arun has overtaken the lead from Sikandar. They are both entering the kettlebell zone together.
सिकंदर और अरुण साथ साथ जोन 4 केटलबेल कैरी में एंटर हुए थे, लेकिन देखिए अरुण ने अपनी ताकत दिखाई और अब वो लीड में है। क्या कमबैक है अरुण का।
Absolutely, Arun is showing incredible strength, but Sikandar is known for his explosive comebacks. Will Arun extend his lead, or is Sikandar about to turn the tables again? This battle is far from over.
कुछ एथलीट्स इस चैलेंज को एफर्टलेसली टैकल कर रहे हैं, जैसे ये सिर्फ एक वार्म अप हो, लेकिन दूसरे लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं। उनके हाथ कांप रहे हैं, लेग्स वॉबली हो रहे हैं, लेकिन ये हार नहीं मान रहे हैं।
Arun and Sikandar are showing us exactly why they are in a league of their own.
ये दोनों एक दूसरे से एक एक सेकंड का फासला बना रहे हैं और जैसे ही वो नेट के नीचे जा रहे हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे एक मिलिट्री ड्रिल चल रही हो। यही है असली योद्धा स्पिरिट।
The key here is efficiency, low body position, controlled breathing and relentless forward movement. Some athletes are powering through with explosive energy.
So the crawl completely took me off balance. It was my Achilles heel. I mean, I had cuts. I have cuts all over my legs. I have cuts all over my arms. It was fun. It was really fun. It's a good element. And usually box jumps is really easy for me. But the first time I reached the box jump, I was telling my legs to jump and I just couldn't. Right? So it took a while. It's a learning experience.
एक के बाद एक एथलीट नेट के नीचे से निकल रहे हैं, बस कुछ ही सेकंड्स का डिफरेंस है।
Sikandar has reclaimed the lead as they step into zone 6, the grueling lunge walk. This is where leg endurance and core strength are truly tested.
दोनों के बीच सिर्फ सेकंड्स का फर्क है। एक छोटी सी गलती और मोमेंटम किसी और तरफ शिफ्ट हो सकता है। ये देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि कौन अपना स्टैमिना और स्पीड को बेहतरीन तरीके से कंट्रोल करेगा।
And now Arun is out of the zone first. Look at the gap he already pulled on Sikandar. These two are pushing their limits, but only one can dominate in the end.
देख सकते हैं कैसे हर एथलीट अपनी ताकत जोड़कर आगे बढ़ रहा है। कुछ के पेस लो हो गए हैं, लेकिन जो भी रुक गया वो रेस से बाहर हो सकता है।
Sikandar is back in the lead as he charges into zone 7. He's moving with precision and determination, leaving Arun behind. Just look at him. He's making it look so easy, like any other day at training for him. His grip is strong, his movement is smooth, and he's absolutely dominating this rope climb.
और अब अरुण भी स्पीड मैच कर रहे हैं। दोनों एकदम नेक टू नेक है। ये लास्ट कुछ पुल्स होंगे और फिर बस एक ही चीज बचेगी, फिनिश लाइन की तरफ एक जबरदस्त स्प्रिंट।
What an absolutely dominant performance. Arun follows close behind, securing second place with an incredible effort. Both these athletes have shown unbelievable strength and resilience. What a race for both of them. This is where brute strength meets pure determination. Rope climb. Every athlete is giving it their all, pulling themselves up with every ounce of energy left in their body. The arms are burning, the grip is slipping, but the will to finish strong is keeping them going. And there you have it, our top 25 athletes who have fought through every challenge, pushed past every limit and earned their spot in the grand finale. These elite athletes will now go head to head, battling for the coveted prize, the title of the Ultimate Yodha. Well, after the completion of the heats and the semi-finals, it all boils down to this. It's the finals. We're here in Delhi. It's absolutely scorching out here. The atmosphere is absolutely electric. You can feel the tension in the air, and the whole crowd is on their feet as India's fittest competitors take on India's toughest fitness challenge.
Absolutely, we've seen some outstanding performances throughout the tournament and अब सिर्फ टॉप 25 ही बचे हैं। यहाँ सिर्फ स्टैमिना नहीं बल्कि स्ट्रेंथ और डिटर्मिनेशन का भी इम्तिहान होने वाला है और एंड में हमारे पास होने वाला है हमारा द अल्टीमेट योद्धा चैंपियन। Well, we have the female finale contestants. That is, first is Tarannum Bhandari, second is Sanjana George, third is Ekta, fourth is Roshni, fifth is Misty Mokros, and many more.
I cannot wait for the race to start here. The athletes, I'm sure, will have that nervous energy and just waiting to bust out there and give it their best. But the Yodhas will be all but set here to take on the course.
That's really true, and they are off. Can you see, Suraj? They are just off, and these are the women who are here. So let's cheer it up for our ladies out here.
Brilliant, brilliant scenes as they start with real pace. You can see Mitzi in the midfield trying to make her way forward. It's all about strategy, isn't it, Falak?
We need to be mentally strong, and I think that that's something that as older ladies we have. You can be in your 40s and still do anything.
It has been a bit tough making it to the start line. If you're 20, 30, we're 40, we're still going to be out there giving everybody and ourselves a run for the money. It's going to be a challenge.
तो सिर्फ एक ही मंत्र है, करना है तो करना है, मतलब करने के लिए there is no alternative.
Now they are all heading towards their zone 1, which is rowing, and that is the endurance test.
स्ट्रैटेजी ये था कि मुझे हर स्टेशन को और जो भी रन्स है उसमें अपना बेस्ट देना है, उसके लिए रोज़ प्रिपेयर करते थे।
Look at these women pull here, Falak. Look at them grow. They are trying to create a bit of separation.
Everyone is all pepped up. Just look at the energy.
रीजनल्स अच्छा था मेरा, बस एक पेनल्टी लग गई थी, तो अब की बार माइंड में बस ये था कुछ भी करना है, पेनल्टी नहीं करनी।
Go too hard and you will burn out, and go too slow you will fall behind. But look at them just going on. और ये देखिए, Tarannum has already left zone 1. Wow, look at this.
That's brilliant from Tarannum, and we have another participant. Brilliantly, Amber has come out. This is brilliant to see. Finally, 3 of the ladies are out on the track already before they complete this one and head to zone 2.
जहाँ मैंने अपना टाइम ज़्यादा लगाया मैं उसको इम्प्रूव करूँ। मैंने अपना बेस्ट किया भी, बट और भी लोग बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होके आए थे।
Wow, I'm so motivated looking at her already.
Me too. I feel like running with them as well. But in this heat, it only takes a true Yodha to compete in all 7 zones here.
And don't you think this is getting like really intense? Wow, the sled push has already started. Look at the determination. Legs are burning, shoulders are screaming. This is pure punishment.
And look at these. They are hauling this. They are pushing, and it's getting very, very close here. All pushing hard. Misty as well, trying to give her best. Look at this. She is motoring through. Absolutely brilliant.
And wow, look at Tarannum. I think she's going ahead to the next zone.
Absolutely brilliant from Tarannum. She continues to head the pace here.
It was a yo-yo, so when I pushed in first after the exercises, then she yo-yoed back on the run and got first, and then we went through the exercises and I was able to push ahead, and then a yo-yo again. She was really fast on the run.
Well, you've seen that Ekta now is into the sled pull. He has 60 kilos.
Oh my god, that's really a lot, and it's all about the grip, back strength and sheer determination, Suraj. And wow, Amber has also joined her as well, and look at that determination.
It's absolutely brilliant.
Tarannum is also young.
मेरी फैमिली, मेरे कोच मिस्टर जयराज सर ने मुझे यही सिखाया कि हाँ, आप एक चीज़ देखो कि आपको नेक्स्ट आगे क्या करना है, माइंड में सिर्फ वो होना चाहिए।
Misty is pushed away, and so is Amber. It's brilliant stuff there. And now Tarannum heads away as well. The sled pulls have been so difficult on these athletes.
Usually I'm a better runner, and I had some breathing issues and I got lightheaded, so I had to really fight through that.
Brilliant stuff there, and look at the shoulders. They must be on fire already. The carry is fantastic, and it's all about grip strength, isn't it? They have a strong grip. You cannot afford to drop those kettlebells.
Seriously, 200 meters feels like 200 kilometers right now. What do you think, Suraj?
Well, especially after how much they've done. And look at Amber. She has got a bit of pace going on. She's not just walking with this, she's almost jogging and sprinting. It's brilliant stuff.
I was really proud. I thought that Misty was going to be right behind me. I was like, I knew Misty's not going to let me go, but I turned around. Yes. Yeah, I turned around and I was like, all right, come on, Misty, come on.
Just powering through. She's looking to try and overtake you. You can see the competitive spirit and fire between the both athletes. Amber, look at her go. She's on the right hand side looking to overtake. This is magnificent stuff. Even though we're just halfway through the race, Amber is firing through. She is not stopping whatsoever. She's carrying on and trying to create a massive gap between the rest of the Yodhas.
Truly, Suraj, just look at her. The determination is intact. She does not care कौन है कहाँ है, लेकिन मैं तो बस आगे चलते ही रहूंगी. The weight might seem light at first, but every step makes it heavier.
Sensational from Amber. She has completed the kettlebells with ease, and now she continues her run. She is so far ahead here.
These things that we teach in the classroom about health and wellness, both physically and mentally, because we tell kids things all the time, but we don't live it. So this is actually living it, and I think that's the most important.
तो मुझे इतना पता था मैं कवर कर लूँगी, इतना था भरोसा कि कवर कर लूँगी. बाद में धीरे-धीरे रनिंग मुझे पता है मेरी अच्छी है, तो मैंने कवर कर लिया.
We already start with the net crawl here, the surprise net crawl, zone 5. As you can see already, one of the contestants, they have to keep low, don't they, Falak? It's all about core strength.
Truly, Suraj, आप सही कह रहे हो. And wow, look at her. She's already reached the net crawl, which is the surprise zone, जैसे हमने start में ही बताया था.
As Amber seems to have no issues crawling here. Her core strength is fantastic.
I knew the low crawl was going to be hard because for the military I low crawled a lot and I rappelled but not pulled up. So I thought, okay, I can handle these stations. The box jump after the low crawl was very hard. It was a good choice by Yoda to pick that. It definitely challenged us.
Net crawl here, and now it's a real battle here. We can see the likes of Taranum, Misty, Amber all out there. There's a bit of a struggle there for Amber, but she continues as she got caught in the net, but she's back up onto it.
Just look at Neerapal.
Dominant after the net crawl as she goes for another round before we head to the dreaded lunges. Amber is out of the run and crawl. Brilliant from her. She continues the lead here.
Look at Ekta. She is doing her lunges. This is where fatigue takes over, but warriors must keep pushing, and she is a true Yodha. What do you think?
Oh my goodness. If anyone has done lunges in their lives, they will know how much this is going to hurt, especially after what they've been through already. Having the lunge walk in zone 6 really is torture. And now Amber heads into the lunge walk as well.
I did the lunge really slowly, so I got past. But yeah, then it was like get to work, pick them off after the lunge. So
Amber and Ekta going through this grueling zone 6. They know that whoever gets out of this zone, Falak, has a great chance of getting the grand prize of 5 lakhs, don't they? Look at that, she is struggling. Her legs are starting to shake, but she's trying to keep her balance.
This is a battle of mind over body. Who has the willpower to keep going? Look at both of them competing. Both of these contestants are competing with each other, trying their best to complete the lunges. Everyone is sweating, lekin give up bilkul nahi karna hai.
Pushing on, looking, got the focus down, and she heads out, drops that, and now heading in for another run. Fantastic, you see the likes of Taranum, Misty and Amber all struggling in the lunge walk. Just shows you how far Ekta is at this moment, and you can see Taranum still leading ahead. Every lunge taking a lot out of her, but they still continue to push on. Brilliant from Ekta, she completes her run, and now She's on the rope climb, the final zone for her. It's magnificent stuff. She takes her place where she has enough time because nobody's around her. She's settling in, slowing down. Brilliant stuff. She's just pacing herself, waiting. She's just psyching herself up. She knows that victory is very much within her grasp, but it's the rope climb. It's easier said than done. But look at her go. This is magnificent stuff. And she rings the bell. It's magnificent stuff. Look at the smile on her face as she heads towards the finish line. It's brilliant from Ekta. Taranam and Amber look to complete their run. They know there's a long way forward, and we have our winner. It's brilliant. She has raced through the tracks, absolutely demolished her competition. Take a bow, Ekta. This has been a sensational performance. You deserve it. All the blood, sweat and tears, all the preparation has led to this moment, and you have become the Yodha.
हर किसी को ट्राई करना चाहिए, चाहे हो मतलब विनिंग हो या ना हो, बट ट्राई ज़रूर करना चाहिए। उसके बाद जो सुकून मिलता है फिर घर वालों को बताने में भी अच्छा लगता है, उनको भी प्राउड फील होता है।
Oh, look at this. There's a real clutter here, the rope climb. Misty, Taranam, they're all there trying to ring that bell. We've seen Amber finish the rope climb. Misty trying to pull. Look at the effort needed. The forearms are on fire. She gets the bell ahead. Magnificent stuff there as Taranam heads towards the finish line too. Brilliant. And Amber reaches the finish line. Brilliant from her. She can take a deep breath. She can get the smiles. We saw her after Zone 5 leading the race. We'll find out when the times are being compared. But what a race run by Amber. Taranam follows suit soon after. She started off the race in real fire session. But then we saw her slow down. And then we'll see once the times are being compared who finishes first.
Everybody wants to win. It's great that they win, right? And it's good to share the podium. I've had lots of wins. I'd love to have won today, but I didn't win today. That's okay. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't win. I didn't lose, right? I did amazing.
And right after this, we are going to come back with a male singles.
And there you have it. Our female singles champion has been crowned. But the battle isn't over just yet. Up next, it's the ultimate showdown. The male singles finals presented by Royal Ranthambore.
And they are off!
Fantastic indeed. They're trying to lengthen their strides as Yodha race presented by Royal Ranthambore in association with Zuzumanke is off and running as the men are very much truly on their way.
मेरा एक नशा लग रहा है फिटनेस का, मैं बिना एक्सरसाइज रह ही नहीं सकता और ये कर रहे हैं तो हम ठीक है, नहीं तो बाकी चीज़ें हमारी सारी खराब है, हमारा शरीर भी ठीक नहीं रहेगा तो हम क्या करेंगे।
As we head towards the first zone, and that is Concept 2 rowing, and the running continues. This is brilliant stuff, and we can see how Sikandar just powering forward. He was so impressive in the semi-finals, and it's no surprise that he's the first one out here as we begin Concept 2 rowing.
रोइंग सिर्फ आर्म्स का काम नहीं है, पूरे बॉडी की स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए। देखिए कौन अपना पेस मेंटेन कर पा रहा है और कौन अभी से स्ट्रगल कर रहा है।
And you can see nice and easy, good strokes here from the rowers. They're getting some movement, and oh, there you go, Arun Kadian, the army commando from Delhi, trying to pull forward. So who's going to be the first Yodha who's going to get out of the zone and head towards the 700 meters and then go towards the second zone. Wonderful pulling here. It's nice strong strokes, and we've got our first athlete who's out there. Look at him go, strides ahead. Brilliant stuff that.
सुबह का मैंने कम एफर्ट डाल के ही करा था क्योंकि मेरे को फाइनल खेलना है अच्छे से। शाम को जब खेला अच्छा, फर्स्ट में मतलब कि और लोग आगे चले गए, बट मैं थोड़ा तीसरा पांचवा छठा में आया और मैं रोइंग सेकंड में ख़त्म करा।
Oh wow, we can see Sikandar going towards the next zone.
Sikandar, of course, the fastest runner overall. He's an elite marathon runner. He also is the founder of the Sikandar Foundation, an army man by profession. I mean, he's just the full package in terms of what's needed in this as he goes running with the sled push. 150 kilos with relative ease here, Sikandar. Magnificent. And now we finally have the others joining in.
Every single workout, I'm pretty sure I got faster compared to Hyderabad to Delhi. So that's just a small goal for me. Even if it's like 10 seconds, 5 seconds, I just got faster in every single one.
Look at Sikandar go. My goodness me. He is running through this with so much ease as some of the athletes struggling with the sled push.
The sledge push and sled pull were little bit difficult. So I took little bit more time to negotiate those obstacles as compared to other obstacles.
And I love how he's so focused about his race and he is just not bothered कौन है कहाँ है, मुझे अपना रेस बस जीतना है, जीत की ओर बढ़ना है, towards the next zone जाना है.
Sikandar has been so far ahead and now some of the pack starts to run, but look at Sikandar, he's quickly into zone 3 in the sled pull. He's going to pull those 70 kilos like it's nothing, just like the way he's tackled the entire track so far.
And now it's sled pull time for Sikandar. This is pure grip, strength, full body power and mental toughness.
Sikandar now with the sweat pouring down continues here. It's wonderful to see him powering through. And now he looks to complete that with so much ease. Look at that, it's all about this. And he gets to the other side as Arun Kadian follows suit, trying to pull for the first time. And he runs away from zone 3, completing that with real quick time. And now continues his 700-meter run here. He'll complete that in no time as he heads towards zone 4. This is brilliant from Sikandar. The other Yodhas continue. Look at Sikandar go. He's looking to lap some people here, Falak. For those of you who don't understand, he's completed that run before the others had even reached the zone. As Arun Kadian is just starting to feel the pressure. You can see him take deep breaths here as he looks to complete the sled pull. An army man, of course, you know what he's capable of. He's gone through tougher challenges in life and he'll feel this to be a breeze, but this is no joke here, Falak. This is where the kettlebells, those heavy kettlebells come into play here. 200 meters of this.
और ये kettlebell जितना आसान लग रहा है उतना आसान तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, but just look at them, कितनी आसानी से, कितना smoothly ये बस आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Look at the shoulders, look at the carry and look at the grip strength. That's why they powdered their hands before, just to make sure that it doesn't slip, knowing how sweaty the palms will be so far in. So a bit of that chalk gets that grip going, and Sikandar, the army man, continues here, and there's a reason why he claimed that he's going to win this race.
इस जोन में ग्रिप स्ट्रेंथ और कोर स्टेबिलिटी की अल्टीमेट टेस्ट है.
He's looking to head towards the end. He'll just hope to just drop these heavy kettlebells and continue his run, and he does just that. Sikandar is on fire here.
दिमाग में तो वही था, मैं ज़्यादा उसके बारे में सोचा ही नहीं कि बहुत आगे हूँ, वो तो सोचा नहीं. मेरे दिमाग में यही था कि बस टाइमिंग जितना हो सके उतना ब्रेक करना है. बहुत जो ये थे वो बोल रहे थे कि सिकंदर बहुत गैप गिरा है, आराम से कर, लेकिन बस दिल ये बोल रहा था कि आज रिकॉर्ड बना के ही जाएंगे.
Kadian looking to complete his kettlebell carry as the rest of the athletes follow suit here. You can see Sikandar is lapping some of the athletes. That's how fit he is. He is motoring through. Magnificent from Sikandar, who is really setting pace, and he can easily claim himself as one of the toughest athletes in this country.
And wow, Sikandar has entered zone 5, the net crawl. Yodhas must stay low, fast and focused on this zone, and wow, कितना आसानी से वो crawl कर रहे हैं.
You know why that's the case, Farak? He's an army man. He's been doing this from a very long time. He's crawled in worse conditions. For him, this is a piece of cake. He has run through the first leg of the net crawl, completed that, and now with the box jumps, look at the form. This is magnificence. Arun Kadian looking to complete and try and compete with Sikandar. Still nobody else to join him in the net crawl so far. As the applause ring forward, he's finished yet another zone. A quick look at the watch as he runs another 700 meters, leaving the competition in the dust. It's brilliant here from Sikandar.
नहीं, 2 जोन तो वो चेंज हुआ, एक सरप्राइज ही था वो, और सभी के लिए वो एक नया कुछ करने का ये था, तो मैं ज़्यादा प्रेशर तो लिया नहीं उसके बारे में.
Arun Kadian now continuing with his net crawl, a bit high in his approach as as he looks to claw the time here. He needs to get low and engage that core. As Sikandar, my goodness me, he has not broken stride. He has not stopped for a single second here. As you can see, the other athletes, Ashish in our screen, looking to complete the net crawl.
Don't you think the baton is just heating up?
Indeed, as he enters zone number 6 here, Sikandar. Again, like in the previous zones, nobody is there remotely close to him. He starts the zone by his lonesome and already has a nice lead here, and it's a perfect lunge to begin with. The knees touching the ground, and that's what the lane judge has to make sure that every lunge is done to perfection, and Sikandar is doing that. And there goes Arun Kadia, Army Commando, running through here as he looks to enter zone 6, where Sikandar has been dominating. Brilliant from him. Look at that. Now you can see the grimace on his face. Finally, it almost like he's human. We needed something to confirm whether he's human or not. Well, now with that bit of a grimace, we finally have that, because he's been an absolute machine. Drops that back down with real disdain. He's done with the lunges. He looks to just move on to the next. He takes another deep breath. He waits. He knows there's still a long way to go in this race to complete, but he's getting there. Another final push on the shoulders as he looks to complete the lunge walk here. Still, Falak, nobody in sight for the lunge walk. How impressive is Sikandar here? The Yodha race, brought to you by Royal Ranthambore in association with Zuzumang, has shown us throughout all the cities that we've been in, it really is never over till it's over. You never know till the final. But here's Arun Kadia now finally entering the lunge walk. He's been far behind, but you can see the 700 meters as Sikandar continues. He is so impressive, isn't he? Sikandar blows past him, laps another contestant here. It's been brilliant here from him. As you can see, the lunge is taking a toll on the other Yodhas, as Arun Kadian having no issues so far, looking to venture forward. And now it is Sikandar who is on the final zone.
And here it is, the final obstacle, the rope climb. After everything they've been through, this is the last and the toughest challenge. Pure upper body strength, grip and mental toughness. दोस्तों, यहाँ कोई स्ट्रैटेजी काम नहीं करेगी, सिर्फ ताकत और डिटर्मिनेशन मैटर करेगी। क्या ये योद्धा अपनी आखिरी एनर्जी का इस्तेमाल करके रोप के टॉप तक पहुँच पाएंगे? Oh my God! Look at Sikandar. He is running towards the finish line, and we already have a winner, and that is Sikandar, number 226. आज एक नई लेजेंड का जन्म हुआ है, the true योद्धा। ये सिर्फ एक इंडिविजुअल विन नहीं है, ये एक मिसाल है उन सब के लिए जो कभी हार मानने का नहीं सोचते हैं। And we have a true winner here, Sikandar, number 226. Congratulations to Sikandar.
रेस्ट लिया ही नहीं, बिल्कुल सोचा नहीं, क्योंकि जब भी रेस्ट लेना था तो टाइमिंग ऊपर जाएगा, इसलिए मैं वही था कि घर वाले भी सब देख रहे होंगे, गांव में सब देख रहे होंगे, और इधर एक विनर बनना मतलब बहुत अलग बात है। मेरा 38 टाइम ब्रेक करने का प्लान था, लेकिन मॉर्निंग में ज़्यादा बॉडी डिहाइड्रेट होने की वजह से इतना नहीं कर पाया मैं, तो 39:01 अभी टाइमिंग आया, तो बस रिकॉर्ड तो बन गया। अभी अच्छा लगा, फर्स्ट भी आया मैं।
Well, we also have Arun Kadian, who is up on the second number, and yes, he is also our ultimate Yodha.
And Just like that, the battle has come to an end. The Yodha race has been spectacular, filled with grit, fire and unforgettable performances from some of the toughest athletes we have ever seen. From the first step to the final finish line, every competitor has pushed their limits, proving what it truly means to be a Yodha. But today, we crown our ultimate champions. This may be the end, but the journey is far from over. This is the finest moment of the day.
इंडिविजुअल विन नहीं है, ये एक मिसाल है उन सब के लिए जो कभी हार मानने का नहीं सोचते हैं। एंड वी हैव अ ट्रू विनर हियर, सिकंदर नंबर 226। कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू सिकंदर।
मैं यूं से
मैं योद्धा,
मैं यूं से
मैं योद्धा।